Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am A.naufal from Mechanical Engineering Department of Banjarmasin, Set Polytechnic Banjarmasin. Today, I'd like to present about explaining the understanding of electric welding machine. I have divided my presentation into 4 parts. First, I will explain about the meaning of electric welding machine. Second, I will mention electric welding machine tools. Thirdly, I will explain how electric welding machine work. And fourthly, I will explain the use of electric welding machine. I I I tweet a short only lasts about 15 or 20 minutes. First, let's begin with the definition of electric welding machine. Definition of electric welding machine: electric arc welding. Generally called electric welding is a method of connection metal by means of electric arc directed at the metal surface to be joined. In the part expanded by the electric arc it while melt, as well as the electrode that produce an electric element at the end and propagate until it runs out. Second, now I'd like to move on to the tools and material used. 1. Electric welding machine. 2. Mast cable. 3. Electrode cable. 4. Welding wheel holder or holder. 5. Mast clamp. 6. Welding hammer. 7. Steel brush. Next. Furtherly, I want to move to the how to work. How electric welding machine work. An electric arc occurs when the tip of the electrode touches the base metal. Due to the presence of an electric current causing a short circuit, then the welding machine converts in it to heat energy to melt the electrode and the base metal. Next. Poorly and last, I will explain about usably use of electric welding machine. The use of electric welding machine is generally used as a welding tool whose energy comes from electricity. The welding process is carried out by joining two or more objects to make on. Well, we now get to the end of this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.